Hello everyone, I would like to share my IELTS preparation journey with you. During my IELTS exam study, I learned many useful strategies, tips, and tricks, and I would like to share them with you. In my YouTube channel, I will be showing you the methods I use to prepare for IELTS. While applying the methods, I got 6.5 in IELTS Academic, which was enough for me to get an acceptance from a university. Hope you will find the methods useful and use them in your exam to get high scores. We can also improve the methods together and share your thoughts with me. Alrighty, today's topic is instructions of questions. Let's say it's part 1. If you took an IELTS test, you are already familiar with the instructions. Please read them carefully. If the instruction says write one word and or a number for each answer. Let's formalize our answers. All possible answers will be, let's say X describes a word, N describes a number. Like 1, 2, 3, like apple, study, or a name. Okay, write one word and or a number for each answer. The possible answers will be for this instruction X. Let me write it in a different pen. X, okay. Only number, a word and a number together. This is and, this is or. Or is here, this is or, sorry. Okay, that's it. You have 4 possible answers. Another example is write no more than 2 words for each answer. These instructions is always uppercase and bold letter. Read them carefully. For this instruction, all possible answers, again, let's say X describes a word and Y describes another word. X, the first one is X, the another one is Y. No more than 2 words, X and Y together. That's it. So in this case, we shouldn't write a number because the instruction is telling you should write only words, not a number. Be careful. Okay, the third one is write no more than 2 words and or a number for each answer. Okay, in this case, the possible answers will be X only. Yeah, it's acceptable. It's not more than 2 words. Only y, it's another word. X and y together, it's acceptable. Only a number, yeah, it's acceptable. Only a word and a number together, x and number or y and number, and two words and a number, x, y, and number. That's it. That's all you need to know. While transferring your answers to the answer sheet, please be careful. Thanks for watching my first video. We can discuss and share the ideas. So please share your ideas with me. And also please subscribe my channel and turn on the notifications to watch the new videos. Best wishes in your studies. Goodbye.